In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export a Gmail contact list and export it into a Mailerlite contact list group. This process helps you take your existing contacts from Google, then move them into Mailerlite so you can organize and email them using your newsletter tools. I will walk you through it slowly, step by step, and I will point out what to look for as you go. To begin, log into your Google Contacts account. Make sure you are signing into the same Google account that holds the contacts you want to export. Once you are on the Google Contacts page, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct contact list. This matters because you want to export the exact contacts you plan to import later. Next, select the contacts you want to export. You can click the checkboxes next to individual contacts, or select an entire group if your view supports it. As you select, watch the screen so you can see which contacts are highlighted or included. If you only need certain people, selecting carefully will help you avoid importing unnecessary contacts into Mailerlite. Now that your selection is ready, click the Export button in the left sidebar. You will usually see this button along the navigation options on the left side of your Google Contacts interface. Clicking it will open the export choices. If you do not see the export option immediately, double-check that you are in the Contacts area and not in a different Google tool. After you open the export options, select the Google CSV format and click Export. This format is important because Mailerlite can import CSV files cleanly. Once you click Export, your browser will download the file to your computer. Give it a moment to finish downloading, and if your browser asks where to save it, keep the default location unless you have a clear reason to change it. With your CSV file ready, you can now switch to your Mailerlite account. Log into Mailerlite next, using the account where you want your contacts to be added. Take a quick look at the dashboard so you can orient yourself and find the place where subscribers are managed. Once you are in Mailerlite, navigate to Subscribers and click Add Subscribers. This takes you to the Import area. The reason for doing it through Subscribers is that Mailerlite stores contact records there, and that is where grouping and organization can happen after the import. After that, select Import from CSV/TXT file and upload the file from Google. When you see the Upload control, choose the CSV file you downloaded earlier from Google Contacts. Make sure you upload the correct file, since selecting the wrong one will cause your import to pull in the wrong data. Next comes the field mapping, which is the part that ensures Mailerlite understands what each column means. Map your data fields and then click Finish Import. As you map, you will match columns from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Mailerlite. For example, Mailerlite will need to know which column contains email addresses, and it may also support other information such as names. Pay attention to the mapping options on screen so the imported contacts land in the right places. When you click Finish Import, Mailerlite will process the file and create subscriber records based on what was in your CSV. After a short moment, you should see the results reflected in your subscribers list, and depending on your settings, the contacts will be available for organization into groups. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.